A light magnitude 2.6 earthquake hit 22 kilometers, 14 miles, away from Mexicali, Estado de Baja California, Mexico, in the late afternoon of Saturday, May 10, 2025 at 6:01 p.m. local time, GMT-7. The quake had a very shallow depth of 21 kilometers, 13 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, EMSC after 2 minutes. The earthquake occurred 9 days after a magnitude 3.4 earthquake had hit on Thursday, May 1, 2025, at 11:21 a.m. GMT-7 local time, in 2.9 kilometers, 1.8 miles, distance to the east. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.